Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 44 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 小吃 snack. 做饭 cooking. 烧烤 barbecue. Today follow me to learn 搬家半价包括in Chinese characters. First one for today, 搬家 波安搬机阿家搬家 means move house. They moved to Shanghai last year. 他们去年搬家去了上海。搬家 move house. 搬家搬家 move house 搬家house 搬家 move house. Next one 半价半价 You see the differences? 搬家半价 means half price. 半价价I bought a dress at half price. 我以半价买了一条裙子。半价 Next one 包括包括 means include. This document includes many articles. 这个文件包括许多条文，包括包括include 搬家搬家搬家 move house 半价半价 半价 half price 包括 include. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.